Grok AI has surprised everyone. It's been a free platform for image and video generation. But right now, if you try to generate anything, you will be required to pay for a subscription of $30 before generating anything. If you have watched my previous video I uploaded a few hours ago, I revealed a platform that gives free access to Grok. But as of now, the credits have increased from 4 to 25 for a 5-second clip and almost 50 for a 10-second clip. So I kept digging, since my mission is to get you some hacks where you can keep generating content for free. And I found this platform called Grok AI. Simply grab the link in the description and log in with your Google account. When you log in, you get 40 credits. You may think that 40 credits is too little and a waste of time, but in the next minute I am going to show you how to generate unlimited content with Grok AI for completely free, even with other models. This is the interface, very simple and clean. No scrolling up and down or complicated setup. You just write your prompt or upload an image, select a model, choose aspect ratio, set the resolution, choose duration, and generate. That's it. Now pay close attention. When you click on the video generation models, don't be shocked. Grok 3 is completely free and unlimited, along with Google Veo 3.1 Fast, meaning you can generate unlimited content with sound on this platform, but you gotta act very fast before many people discover it, since things might change. Since the major focus is Grok AI, I will first generate some video with Grok 3. I am starting with a simple prompt, sports cars racing. I will keep the settings by default and hit generate. Once you verify that you are a human, the video generation begins. Kindly show your support by liking this video, sharing it with a friend, subscribing, and turning on the bell icon so that you don't miss my upcoming hack on how to keep using Grok AI for free. Your support means a lot. Just look at this. The video is ready, and as you see on the right, we used Grok 3 with the higher resolution, and it cost 0 credits, meaning creating content at no cost. But you need to act fast before these models are no longer available. Let's watch the video. Amazing, right? Different camera angles, fluid motion, accurate physics even with ambient sounds. This platform is pure gold. This time, let's create a video by uploading this image. I am keeping the prompt very simple. A man riding a donkey moving forward raising a flag as people continue cheering. I won't change the settings and generate. Sometimes you may hit a cue since most people are discovering it, but don't worry, it should take a few seconds. After a little while, you will have your video ready, free to download it, regenerate if you don't like the first result, or extend for a longer clip. Let's see what it cooked. The forward movement, clear lighting, and the cheering vibe make the whole clip honestly great. As I told you, you can actually use other models for completely free. For example, this time I'm choosing Google Veo 3.1 Fast and adding a simple text prompt, 2 men in a ring fighting, fast punch exchange, and now the generation will begin. This is what we get. I won't add any comment. You can already tell that the video is great. As you have been watching, I generated about 3 videos but still have 40 credits. This is a ticket to unlimited video generation. As I wrap up, I wanted to share a platform called Grok AI, a powerful platform I have been using for quite some time. I also dropped the link below. You sign in with your Google account, and boom, you find all the features on this single interface. If you want to translate the video into any language, upload it here, and in one click it will be done perfect for a global audience. For faceless creators, this is a game changer for creating talking avatars. Whether it's a video or a photo, upload your media, add an audio file, and generate. You just saw, it is starting to become clear that tools like this could completely change how movies. Natural body movement and perfect lip sync, as you can see, it's the one I use for my videos. You don't even need to pay for external tools to generate AI voices. All is done here without switching tools. When you paste your script, it provides a wide library of realistic voices, and you can clone your own voice if you want to. Pick your favorite voice and generate very realistic sounding human instead of robotic like most platforms.
You're closer than you think. Stay consistent, stay focused, and don't quit before the breakthrough.
And if you have been spending hours creating YouTube shorts, the nightmare is gone. Just upload your long-form video here, and in seconds, you get 3 shorts focusing on the major hooks in the video. You get optimized titles and ready-to-post shorts with captions. This might be one of the craziest AI tools I have tested that creates professional commercial photos. Imagine taking a simple product photo like this one and turning it into... If you are really serious about making faceless content in a smarter way, check out this site. Alright, now you know how to create unlimited videos with Grok AI for completely free. Keep your eyes on the channel because I've got more videos coming your way. Just turn on the bell icon to be the first to watch. I will see you in the next video.